Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see Prizepicks fail to verify the identity. And we also see like how we can fix this particular error. Okay, so whenever you face this kind of error, you see the screen like this. So the fix number one is make sure you are using the supported ID. Prizepicks may only accept the certain type of documents for identity verification such as government issued ID or the passport. Before attempting to verify your identity, check to make sure your ID is supported. Fix number two, check that your ID is valid and is not expired. If your ID has expired and is no longer valid, PricePicks may not be able to verify your identity. This is because an expired or invalid ID is not considered a reliable proof of your identity. To ensure that you are able to verify your identity on the PricePicks, make sure your ID is up to date and still valid before attempting to verify your identity. The fix number three is use a clear, well-lit photo to ensure that your ID is easy to read. Take a clear, well-lit photo of it. Avoid using blurry or the distorted photo, as this may cause the issues with the verification processes. The fix number four is double check your personal information. Make sure that you are entering all the required personal information correctly, including your name, date of birth, and address. Incorrect information would prevent the price picks from verifying your identity. The fix number five is contact the price pick support team. So make sure that you contact the help center, that is the support center of the price picks. So here you can raise a request and the backend technical team, they will get back to you and they will help you to resolve the issue. You can also do live chat or live support to the team so that you will get the instant resolution for your problem. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.